Hi students, today we're going to look at the verb suppose and supposed to. What's the difference? The verb suppose has many uses. Suppose used as a verb to think with, which means to think without evidence or to wonder. So I suppose she will come back tomorrow means I think she will. He supposes she will drive him to work. He thinks so, but he's not 100% sure. Suppose can also be used as an imperative, which is a command, and it basically means what would happen if. Suppose she doesn't bring an umbrella tomorrow. What would happen if she didn't bring an umbrella tomorrow? Suppose that a woman ran for president. What would happen if a woman ran for president? Suppose to is a modal verb, and it's pronounced supposed to. Supposed to and have to are similar in meaning. I have to be home to cook for my family. I am supposed to be home to cook for my family. Supposed to can also mean what you usually or are likely to do. So here for an example, firemen are supposed to put out fires. Kids are supposed to play outside. So how do you use supposed to? Well, you basically take the form to be plus the supposed to plus another verb. So if you look here in the example, she is supposed to bring her book to class. Is the form to be, supposed to, and then the other verb is bring. Parents are supposed to care for their children. Are is the form to be, supposed to, and then care is the other verb. You can also use supposed to in the negative. So you say he is not supposed to. To make not supposed to, you use the verb to be plus not plus supposed to plus the verb. I know, it's quite a string. We are not supposed to eat dessert before dinner. Are is the form to be, then the not, then the supposed to, and then the new verb eat. Okay? She is not supposed to watch TV during the week. Is the form to be, not is the negative, supposed to watch TV during the week. I hope this will help you understand how to use it, and I hope you will use it soon.